Physical properties of water. The physical properties of water are characterized by its unique molecular structure and intermolecular forces. Here are the nature and characteristics of some important physical properties of water. Color, taste, odor. Pure water is a colorless, odorless and tasteless liquid. States: water exists naturally in 3 states: solid ice, liquid water and gas water vapor. This is due to the strength and arrangement of intermolecular forces between water molecules. Density. Water has a maximum density of 1 gram per meter or 1000 kilogram per cubic meter at around 4 degrees Celsius. As the temperature decreases below this point, water expands and becomes less dense. That is why ice floats on water. Anomalous expansion of water. Water has an unusual physical property. When cooled, it first contracts in volume, but below 4 degrees Celsius, it starts expanding and continues to do so till the temperature reaches 0 degrees Celsius, the point at which it freezes into ice. The property of anomalous expansion of water is crucial for aquatic life. In cold climates, ice forms on the surface of water bodies, insulating the water below and allowing organisms to survive. Boiling point and freezing point. Water has a high boiling point 100 degrees Celsius at sea level and a relatively high freezing point 0 degrees Celsius. This is attributed to the extensive hydrogen bonding between water molecules, which requires significant energy to break or form. Specific heat capacity. Water has a high specific heat capacity, meaning it can absorb or release a significant amount of heat without a drastic change in temperature. This property enables water to act as a temperature buffer, stabilizing climates and regulating body temperatures in living organisms. Latent heat of fusion of ice. The latent heat of fusion is the amount of heat required to change a substance from its solid state to liquid state at its melting point without any change in temperature. Latent heat of vaporization of water. When water is boiled, it changes to gaseous state. The energy required to change water into its vapor at its boiling point without any change in temperature is called latent heat of vaporization of water, and its specific value is 2260 Joule per gram or 540 calorie per gram. Solvent properties. Water is an excellent solvent due to its polar nature. It can dissolve many substances, including salts, sugars and gases, making it a vital medium for various biological and chemical processes. Action on litmus. Water is neutral towards litmus. Example, it has no effect on the color of litmus. Conductivity. Water is a non-conductor of electricity and heat. Surface tension. Water exhibits high surface tension, which is the result of cohesive forces between water molecules at the surface. This property allows water to form droplets and supports capillary action, where water can rise against gravity in narrow tubes. Viscosity. Water has relatively low viscosity, meaning it flows easily. However, its viscosity can be influenced by temperature and the presence of dissolved substances.